So we have actually one of the most beautiful supersport made, I believe. I think even my friend Mayad has owned this. It's a clear carbon supersport. Which is really elegant with a cognac interior. Super duper elegant. I don't know how I should change that spec. And next to it we have a Grand Sport. Which is actually also quite elegant. But I mean, the Super Sport is the one to have. Grand Sport is just much more common actually, in relative terms. Clear carbon Super Sport. With brushed aluminium rear part. Looks great. Let's see how complex the Veyron is. With the Naka ducts on top.